Hi, we're going to have a good time today where I feel very privileged that this company, Monument Grills, contacted us and asked us if we wanted to do a review on one of their gas barbecue grills. So they sent us this nice blue, I've never had a blue barbecue, 2-burner grill. So we're going to cook some good stuff on this, but let's get it lit first. Go there. It's got electronic start, easy. Hit that. I'll put it on about medium high and we'll warm that up. We're gonna cook some skewered vegetables first and stuff, and then we're gonna do some cheeseburgers and some apple chicken sausage and such. So let that warm up. I think I'm gonna cook the stuff around 400 degrees, and then we'll be right back to start skewering the vegetables. Okay, the grill's warming up nice, so we're gonna get a little marinade going for these. We just cut up some mushrooms here, but got some, ooh, I should have cracked that loose before we started. Some balsamic vinegar here. It's snowing a little bit right now. It was cold this morning. It was like, was it like 15 degrees or maybe a little colder?
It was 15.
15, but yeah, I think it's like 30 degrees now. So this is some olive oil. Put some of that in there. Okay, a little Worcestershire sauce. That's always a tongue twister for me. I guess that's how you say it. Just give it a couple squirts. Have some garlic. Got a little fire going in our wood stove. Making some hot water for some tea. Just having a good time cooking outdoors. Pepper. Parsley. Oh, that's smelling good. Let's give it a little whisk. We'll let this marinate for around 20 minutes or so, and then we'll start skewering them after that point. But we'll just pour this over these mushrooms. Oh yeah, that looks and smells delicious. I'm going to save a little bit in there so I can maybe brush some on after I skewer them. So there we go. There's the mushrooms. Barbecue's getting warmed up. We'll be right back to get these skewered up. So we'll see you back. Okay, I forgot one thing. We got some white wine that I was supposed to put in the marinade. And so here we go. I'll just pour this over. Oh yeah. Okay. Now the marinade's complete, so we'll see you right back. Okay, here we go. We got all the veggies skewered. So here we have, we done zucchini squash, yellow squash, purple onions, and some baby bell peppers. And then here's the mushrooms that we've been marinating for about 20 minutes.
Baby bellas.
Baby bellas. So let's get cooking on this new fancy blue Monument grill. First time use. So let's put these burgers on first. Oh yeah. Okay, burgers. Then here's the apple chicken sausage. Put those on. Yeah, this is our cooking shack. We're in here. I just built this summer, so we're enjoying this. We have a good time cooking. Nothing better than cooking in the outdoors. So there's that, and then let's just put these skewers on, and then we're gonna wait a little bit to put the mushroom skewers on. So we'll let this stuff cook for a little while, and then the mushroom skewers won't take as long to cook. So yeah, there you go. That's already starting to smell awesome. So yeah, we'll see you back. Okay, this stuff's cooking good. It's cooking quick. So we spun the veggies. Them chicken and apple sausages are cooking. I flipped the burgers, but we're gonna get the mushrooms going. So let's put these on there. It's smelling delicious. Yeah. Monument Grills. Be sure and check them out. I have my coat on, but let me take it off because got this nice cooking apron, and I even got some bling. And it says Monument Grills, and then it says Grill for Joy on the other side. Check their website out. It's monumentgrills.com. They have all kinds of information on there. They have bestsellers that they post. They have weekly sales, all types of gas grills, different colors too. We got a blue one. They have a griddle, a tabletop griddle, tabletop barbecues, all kinds of good stuff. Accessories, spatulas, tongs, all that stuff, rubs, barbecue sauce, and stuff like that. You can buy gift cards, and there's recipes on there. So you can get on there and look at recipes and go from there. But yeah, this is, look at that, that's working great. So we're just going to continue cooking this, and we'll see you back. Okay, this is coming along great. Everything's cooking great. We moved the burgers and the sausages up there. The mushrooms are close. The skewered veggies are close, but I want to give them just a little more of this marinade. Get a little flare up going. Oh yeah. Smells so good. Do that. There we go. That's what we want. All right. So I think this stuff's going to be done quick. I mentioned the website, monumentgrills.com. There will be a link in the description that you can click on it. It will take you right there. Okay. It'll take you there and you can get a discount. So there goes the train. It always is there on the video. Okay, that was a short train, but yeah, this is about done. So we're going to plate this up and we'll see you back. We'll try it out. Okay, I think we're ready. The veggies are done. The sausage is done. We just need to put the cheese on the burgers. Got some Swiss cheese here. Yeah, this is awesome. It's snowing pretty good out there too. They will take a little clip of the snow because it's beautiful. But yeah, so good times. We'll get back, plate this up, and yeah. Okay, we're ready. Let's get this stuff off the grill. But yeah, this worked great. So here's the veggie skewers. Oh, that smells good. Mushrooms. So I want to do this. Here's my plate. Put a little on here. Oh, look at that. There's some charred. That is perfect. And here's the mushrooms. Look at those. Awesome. Oh, that smells good. I keep saying that. Oh, that smells good. But it does smell
It
good.
really smells good.
So, here's the Swiss burger. Look at that.
Perfect melt.
And the chicken apple sausage. We had 4. One hit the ground. I was turning them, and one of them hit the floor. But that's okay. So I'm going to leave that open. Let's check this out. Here's the burger. I'm going to do this first. Oh yeah, perfect. Yummy. Oh, Oh, delicious. So the burger had salt and pepper, onion salt, and a seasonal spice. Here's the sausage. Yummy. Oh yeah. I'm sitting here eating all this good stuff, and it's hot, but that is delicious. Mushrooms, yeah, and veggies. So there you go. I want to thank Monument Grills. This is a very good grill. Check them out. Click the link. Get a discount off my link in the description. And yeah, good time cooking in the outdoors. I hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.